I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher girl, my rocket.
Today I'm here with RPG Hair once more. Same packaging as usual. Open the box and you know it's the usual setup, you know, drawstring bag with the wig inside. Oh, I also got some goodies. I got this edge brush and comb, an adjustable strap. I got a rat tail comb branded RPG, a pair of wig caps, and this information pamphlet, which they always send in like all their packages. How to care for your hair, you know, their social media, everything like that is listed. So yeah, and that's everything that came in the box. So this is the wig that we're working with today. All right guys, so I'm excited for this wig, okay, because it's one of their upgraded kinds. All right, so what I have today is a 18-inch deep wave wig. All right, it's 180% in density, but what makes this different is because they combined the curly edge with it. This is the invisible HD lace as well, so I'm so excited for this. And it's a 13x6 parting. Yeah, makes it even better. It's already pre-bleached and tinted, so you don't need to do that. It's pre-plucked as well. It looks so good. It's not like super kinky, but it does have that curly texture, so I'm so happy for this. You see how nice that looks? Super nice and curly, and it's nicely pre-plucked. There's a very nice graduation going on, and it came with this like pre-center part. Yeah, so I'm very excited for it. As you can see, it's a natural 1B color, very full to the end, and it's very realistic looking. It's very soft as well, so that's really good. And now that I show you guys this, I'm gonna go ahead and get to installing it. I'm gonna be doing a nice glue install today, just a like light glue install. And yeah, this is how it looks with the curly edges. I feel like what curly edges really, you know, does is create a look that make like your edges can like more natural. It's not necessarily one where you have to wear it exactly how it comes out of the package. Like you could always finesse it to your liking and stuff, but you know, textured edges really make things look more realistic, or curly edges rather, in my opinion. So it's all about how you finesse it and stuff. But you know, it looks cute. Very much. I'm gonna be using glue, as I said, for my installation. Cut around the ear portion here because it's a little longer than it needs to be. So I'm gonna do this in halves, as you guys know. So I'm gonna just cut away the excess over the neck side as well. And then I'll just jump into, you know, the glue portion, which I will speed through. And then we're going with the Ebin Wonder Bond lace glue today. Or Ebin Wonder Lace Bond, rather.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher girl, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you.
So this lace is so nice and thin, so it really grabs on that area with the adhesive as soon as I lay it down on it. And don't worry about the glue. This glue, I realized after working with it a couple times well now, that it really, the cast that you're seeing, it goes away after it dries down properly. And you have to give like any lace glue like a good 24 hours for it to completely dry down. So just note that. So I'll go ahead and remove the extra lace from the rest of the wig, but it's looking good so far. It looks real good. Really nice and natural. Okay. And that's how the curly edges are looking. You know, no sideburns or anything that do not suit, nothing not do. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the next side. I just went ahead and tied on the edges of the lace once more. Just the very edge to kind of just let it seep in even more. And what I'm gonna do is right here, I'm gonna just fix the parting, and then I'll just go in with my hot comb. And after I lace, I'll go ahead and brighten or make the parting look better. And you know, the curly edges actually help if you want to go ahead and do like baby hairs. Like, it helps it to form better. It's way easier to form it on your own once you have those curls. That's why, you know, they kind of do that technique where they'll get the little small flat iron or curling iron and kind of curl the edge, because it makes like doing that whole edge vibe look better or just easier overall. So when you want to do like those, you know, you want to be extra with your edges, but you want to have that nice soft look, you could try this wig for sure. So what I'm going to do after I'm done with it, like when I'm done with this side, is like I'll go ahead and tie down so it's flatter. You know, but I really don't want it to look product-y. I want that nice soft vibe. This is a first for me. It's so different. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I just kind of reinforced what it came like. This is what it came like, okay? So you don't have to do it like this if you don't want. You could pull it back, brush it back, not do any baby hairs or anything. But this is, I'm kind of just embracing what the wig was kind of made for or whatever. But yeah, so this is it without like finessing it or reinforcing it or whatever. But yeah, or you could literally just like do this if you wanted to just look like super like textured, you know, or just you could just pull it back like this. So you decide what you want to do. And I feel like a lot of you will say this, but for my girlies who don't mind and who are bold enough, you can do this. It's cute too. Both ways are very cute. For me, it's all about my mood and stuff. So I'm gonna do this next side and come back. So yeah, this is like, you know, extreme baby hair finessing. Alright, if you're not with it, I just gave you options, okay? So please spare me in the comments, because I really like it. I think it's cute. I really like it. And when I sleep on it tonight, I kind of just scrunch it up. And it would go, this is so different for me. I've never like actually sat down and finessed my like baby hairs like this. So I'm really excited. What I'm gonna do is go through the wig itself and just kind of get it wet and nice. But this is how it looks before I wet it up. That's really cutesy kind of vibes. Really pretty. So it's just water in this bottle. You could go ahead and add like some conditioner. I think I'm gonna add some conditioner to it too, because I do want to have that nice wet look. That is super pretty. I feel like these type of edges are perfect for like a baby shoot. If you wanna make a statement with your edges, is super pretty for like that purpose. If you want to be extra with your edges. So that's how it looks so wet. And you know, it will fluff back up as it dries down. Do the same thing to the next side. Pretty, right? And very much undetectable lace. Yeah, and the deep parting is giving. So imagine if you were supposed to, like, you know, do like a nice little ponytail with this. That would be cute. So nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's the vibe. Super curly edge baby hair vibe. You understand? See, soft and nice and like 3D coming off. You know, it's like the lace is very nice and undetectable, and the hair looks really, really good. That's where it reaches me. Let me know what you guys think. Like, this is super cute. Like, I love it. I love it. Shout out to RPG Hair once more for another gorgeous wig. You know, I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you guys are interested in ordering it, you can go ahead and do so, as well as the specifications will be down there for you guys to review again. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am definitely feeling this 100%. I'm loving it. Yeah. Anyways, feeling it a little too much, but yeah. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.